Hello, this is my oral presentation, English Level 2. I will present 1. Introduce myself. 2. Tell about my trip experience in Cartagena. 3. The weather in Cartagena. 4. Recommendation if you go to Cartagena. Let's start. My name is Duban Alvarez. I live in Cincelejo. I am single. I am 22 years old. I like the football. I like watch movie. I like read. In the following is my trip experience in Cartagena. Stage 1. Tips to go to Cartagena. I went to the Cartagena the week last. Went it with my family. I liked it because it was beautiful. I used paid little money because I visit a friend. I liked it because there were a lot of places to visit. For example, I went to the restaurant, beach, and the place historical. I stayed in Cartagena just 3 days, but I liked a lot. Stage 2. The weather in Cartagena. Cartagena is very sunny. In the day, it's extremely warm, but in the night, it's cool. Recommendations. 1. It is important that you wear comfortable and soft clothes. 2. It is important to use sunscreen. 3. Protect children from the sun. 4. It is better not to be exposed to direct sunlight. 5. Visit the historic buildings of Cartagena, as the Castle of San Felipe. 6. Do not forget your camera your visits. 7. It is necessary that you try the gastronomy of Cartagena. 8. It's a good area to walk around the city and get to know the historic buildings. Stage 3. What you should do if your destination is Cartagena. Do not forget to plan with time to travel and bring the right clothes. Protect yourself from the sun on the beach and take good care of children. What you shouldn't do. You should not go away to places that you do not know without the company of someone expert in trustworthy. Thank you.